For me, art is the way I see life. Art is the way I interpret life, the way I process emotions, the changes in motherhood, life as it comes, finding creative ways to bring my imagination to life. That's what art is for me. Hi, I'm Raksha. I'm the artist behind Sturdy Studio. I'm actually a ceramic artist based here in Bangalore, and I make collectible ceramic pieces for homes that like a little bit of character. I make pieces like planters, sculptural objects, and collectible one-off pieces for homes that like a little bit of fun and personality. So I was into fashion designing, right? And when the time when I quit my job was when I felt like it was not really fulfilling the purpose of me. I didn't really feel like an artist, but more like a corporate employee. That was not the life I was seeking for myself. Back then I did not know like I wanted to be an artist, but I just knew that wasn't my life. And for the next 2 years since I quit my job, I think I kept looking for something. I always had this imagination of the way I see things in my life. And I tried different materials to bring that to life. Like I used cardboard, POP, jute, like I worked with a lot, like I did macrame and whatnot. But I think nothing really brought me that joy while making it, or it didn't really translate to the kind of imagination I had. That's how this very search landed me in this hand building class that I took. And within 3 days, I could see my ideas and imagination turn into 3D products. Like, that's the moment I knew that this is what I want to do all my life. Ceramics is a very vast subject, and since the very beginning, I wanted to know almost everything about it. But being a mom of a young baby definitely had its own challenges. But I think I found a workaround by choosing weekend workshops, and it took me a while. What I wanted to learn in 1-2 months, it took me almost 6 months to cover all the subjects. But I think I found my own way to deal with it. People choose to make a lot of commercial products these days, if you see ceramic artists, right? But for some reason, that was not the kind of direction I even thought of. From the beginning, I always wanted to make things that I don't see, the things that are in my imagination, like how I perceive earth, how I perceive nature, how I perceive clay itself. I felt I was doing something wrong until I launched my website, and whoa, like all my products sold out. Like that was when I was like, okay, like I need to stop doubting myself, give myself the space and freedom to create from my imagination. Can you believe I started with like a bag of clay and a box of tools in my balcony, and today I have like a full-blown studio with a kiln? Like that itself is a massive milestone. I didn't plan to launch my website when I did, but it was a pleasant surprise when I did launch my website because of the love and the way I see my pieces, going to people's houses. It was a full circle movement as an artist, and that is my biggest win. So I'm working on a piece called Cobra Lady. It's essentially how I see motherhood as. It's not this hardship in life. It's almost like how every snake goes through transformation, and it's not instant, right? It takes some time for it to wiggle out of its skin, and that skin that it's on is not permanent. And that's exactly how I see motherhood. The weight that we put on, the bodily changes that we go through, be it mental or physical, right? It's all part of that motherhood. And when you come out of it, you're this new, freshest version of yourself that you were meant to be. And I truly think that calls for a celebration. I want people to see my art in their own ways and appreciate it in their own ways. I want people to see the story behind it and not just the end product. I hope my art also kind of creates an emotion in the people that see it, and for it to be in a lot of homes. Okay, wait, I have this idea of also starting this art B&B sometime in the future, but where people come to visit, to stay, to see how, art feels around, and to interact with an artist, to see how they think. The chaos that goes on in the studio, right? You can see a glimpse of that. I know this is way in the future, but very possible. a practice that deeply helped me, and I would suggest every artist to do it, is document your journey from day one. Irrespective of you post it or not, it's important for you to reflect your journey and show where your art truly comes from. And another thing is, don't wait till you're ready, right? That can be the worst advice. What you need to do is get that thought, take that first step, because every first step, irrespective of good or bad, it matters.